Hello, custodians. Our industries. The resources provided to us by nature fulfill most of our needs. However, many of these resources cannot be used directly. This is because they are raw material. So, we need to convert these raw materials into finished goods such as bread, cloth, tea, furniture, and utensils. So, the process of making a particular product using machines in a factory is called an industry. These industries are basically divided into three types based on the size of the industry. They are cottage industries, small scale industries, large scale industries. So let's talk about each one of them in detail. Cottage industry. Cottage industries are set up by people in their own homes. A few people work with simple tools and use raw materials available nearby. Such industries are weaving clothes, extracting oil, grinding flour, and making soft toys, baskets, and other leather goods. Small scale industry. Small scale industries employ a few workers and use small machines. People work in a small factory. They make utensils, garments, hosiery items, and electrical and plastic goods. Large scale industry. Large scale industries employ thousands of workers. A large number of goods are produced with big machines. Highly trained workers are needed. Large scale industry include textile mills, iron and steel plants, oil refineries, chemical plants, and factories manufacturing automobiles and railway equipments. These large-scale industries are generally located in areas where raw material and power are easily available.